Hello, welcome to Art Zone. Let's learn to do the stone painting today. We will be learning a snowman and a Santa Claus. We will need water, a plate, white acrylic color, stones and few sketch pens. With this, we will need talcum powder and Fevicol. Here I have taken a little amount of Fevicol. Add little powder in it. Mix it well. Now take good quantity of white acrylic color and mix it. As this paste is ready, now apply this paste on the rock as shown here. Let it dry for half an hour. You can choose to color the base or you can leave it. Let's start the drawing now. Take a pencil, draw a circle as shown here. Add one more line. Draw one more circle. Add few curves and connect both the lines. Now add a big curve and a small curve and connect them with a small circle. Here I have taken the rock in my hand. I feel better to draw in this way. Draw few more lines for muffler. Let's draw the nose, eyes and mouth. Here our snowman is ready. We get ready-made stone painting color markers or paints in the market. But today I want to do the painting in whatever material I have at home. Take a black sketch pen and do the outline. I have these watercolor brush pens, so I am applying red color over here. Draw few lines as shown here. And fill this area with red color again. Add some green color in the empty space. I don't have orange color, so I have given yellow over here. You can choose orange. Take a brown color and color the sticks. Add some green color in the buttons. Now draw little dots with light blue color here. Repeat the same on the face now. Let's draw the Santa. Start with the circle. Add a line. Draw eyebrows. Now add nose, 2 dots for eyes. Draw a nice beard and the smile. Now draw a big curve and a small curve. Connect them with a small circle for the cap. Let's draw the hands now. Draw the other hand. Now draw the legs. Add few lines for belt. Santa is carrying a big gift bag. So let's add a bag. Let's color it. I'm trying to color this red color with a normal sketch pen. You can see there are few grains of white after we fill the area. I will add one more layer with a brush pen. Now add the same color on the shirt and other parts. I don't have skin color, so I am not going to color the face. If you have skin color, you can color the face. Add brown color for the shoes and the belt. Add pink color on the nose and few dots on cheeks. I am applying green color for the bag. You can choose whatever color you like. Let's draw some snowflakes with blue color. If you like this drawing, like, share and subscribe this channel. Today we have learnt the snow painting with whatever material we have at home. You can paint the stones with different type of colors. Here are few samples. I have done this stone painting with poster color. This piece is colored with acrylic color. You can see this video of fox stone painting. The link is given below. I have painted this with poster color. If you don't want to apply white coat on the stone painting will look something like this. I have used acrylic color. You can observe I have selected different type of stones over here. Some are plain, some have texture. In this way, you can also make your stone painting collection. While selecting the stone, decide what you are going to draw on it, and in this way your stone painting collection will be ready. Thank you for watching.